Hi, I'm Dr. Akshay Rao and I'm your General Medicine faculty at Manipal MedAce. I have 10 years of teaching experience. Now, I know a lot of students find medicine to be vast and daunting, and that is why I have covered the entire subject within 120 hours of videos, and I have kept them crisp and relevant from entrance exam point of view. They are also based on the latest CBME guidelines and therefore should help you to crack even your university exams. I have personally curated 1300 MCQs to help you get exam ready. Even the notes are handwritten and designed in an easy to understand manner. Now, regarding Manipal MedAce, one of the very important features in this app is the study plan feature, which helps you to prepare a personalized study schedule to cover all your subjects, including general medicine, which you should really find to be very useful. Now, I would like to say, please don't sweat for any of your exams. Manipal MedAce is with you. There's a lot to come from us. We are in this together. So all the best and happy learning.